Hello children! It's life experience time! Our topic for today is about nature around us. To start with, let's all sing and dance together. The Nature Song.
I love the mountains, I love the river, I love the cloud up in the sky. Flowers and trees are loved by the bees. Flowers and trees are loved by the bees. I love the mountains, I love the river, I love the cloud up in the sky. Birds love the butterflies and butterflies love the sky. Birds love the butterflies and butterflies love the sky.
Well done, children! Now let's review our previous topic. Winter season. During winter, the weather is cold. Cold. It also snows in some other countries during winter season. Snow. These are the winter clothes that we should wear to keep our body warm during winter. Jacket. Winter hat or beanie. Winter boots. Sweater. Coat. Scarf. And mittens. Winter clothes. Very good, children! Now let's move on to our new topic. Let's learn together. Nature around us. Everything around us are all part of nature. The water, animals, stone, and even the tree are all part of nature. The sand on the beach, the sun up in the sky, and even the cloud are all part of nature. Natural resources. Tree, stone, and sand. These are examples of natural resources. There are objects made from natural resources. From tree, we can make a wooden chair. From the stone, we can create mortar and pestle. From sand, we can make a glass. These are the different objects made from natural resources. Because of the natural processes of the earth or by the forces of nature, natural disasters happen. These are some examples of natural disasters. Flood, earthquake, wildfire, drought. These natural disasters may result in loss of life, injury, and damage to property. Very good, children. Let's summarize what we have learned. The sand on the beach, stone, the tree, the water, and even the animals. They are all part of nature. There are different things or objects that are made from natural resources. Wooden chair comes from the tree. This glass comes from the sand. And this mortar and pestle are from the stone. These are different examples of objects made from natural resources. Natural disasters. Here are some examples. Flood, earthquake, wildfire, and drought. These are all natural disasters. Very good, children! And that's the end of our lesson. Thank you everyone for learning with me. Till next time, goodbye!